Jatend piny owacho migosi Uhuru Kenyatta kawuono niendi ne oromo kod rowere ma pacho kaendi. Rowere bende osebedo ka sani ndiko ne tiyo weche gi mag loso gi lweny ma pacho kaendi e lony manyasani. Uhuru kano romo kodgi mano endo State House nopuoyo ahinya. Mano tich maber ma gisebedo ka gitimo e thuolo niendi te. Wacho ni koro sani endi rieko ma kamago biro konyo piny Kenya bedo kod ikruok makare e weche go eko mag gi lweny.
Your efforts have made Kenya the first African country to conduct such an extensive survey without tapping into any foreign expertise. Hongera sana kwenu nyinyi nyote. Pongezi sana. Very proud of you. As some of you will recall, in 2018, we established the JNAM team as a multi-agency project born out of the compelling need to have current, comprehensive geospatial data covering our entire country. The first part of the project, the team has been able to map out a wide range of resources, including base metals, coal, gemstones, geothermal spots, forest cover, water bodies, precious metals and rare earth elements. And with an inventory of what we hold, state actions, as well as investment, can now guide informed and sustainable exploitation of our natural resources, particularly through manufacturing and industrialization, both of which are a key plank of our Vision 2030. This will not only spur economic growth and create more job opportunities for our young people, but it will also bring about transparency. For we know for a very long time, our country has been exploited. We know not what they remove from our land. They tell us they're taking them to foreign labs to test. 90% of what they're taking is materials and wealth that we never see back. Sasa hiyo yote ni history. Mtu akikuja kuchimba kwetu, tunajua ni nini, and we are able to retain the wealth that we have for the development of our country. The output maps